What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And so today we are doing June's Yes Oh Yes bag. So I know it's rather late in June and I have been running late. I've been super busy with work, and as you can tell, this is not my normal background. So I am off for work, but I am going to try and record and kind of get some stuff done for you guys. I know it's late, but hopefully you guys don't mind, because I know I still enjoy watching unboxing videos as well. So I've got the bag right here. I brought it with me. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've been posting pictures about being in California. So I am currently in Berkeley for some trainings, but I'm gonna grab my phone because I want to make sure that I tell you guys the right stuff for June's box. So if you guys are looking at my TV in the background, I have been binge watching. Well, I finished season 3 of Riverdale. I'm obsessed. I've always been obsessed when Riverdale first originally started. So now I've been wanting to watch Sabrina. So I am on part 2, like episode 7 maybe. Almost done with that, so I can't wait for the next season to come out. So if you're interested in those two things, leave me a comment down below. We can discuss it. But I've been super interested. I love all those kind of like old comic shows, because growing up, that's what I've read, was like the Archie comics and Sabrina and like all that stuff. It's totally right up my alley, and I love weird things anyway. So, all right. So I'm going to grab or pull up what June's box looks like. So, all right. So here we go. So I just literally unboxed it, and we'll just do what I normally do, pull out and talk. So first thing I pulled out, ooh, this looks nice, is a Bella Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. So this is it right here. If the lighting is a little funny, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to use the natural light from my balcony for the videos, because I don't have like my normal light stuff with me. I couldn't pack all that. So this is the wand. I probably should have set that down. This is the one right here. And I don't know if you guys can tell, this kind of looks like Benefit Roller Lash, like that kind of rubbery kind of wand. So hopefully it'll be good. And I know I said I was going to start doing like wearing the makeup using this stuff in my next video. So for July's, I'll be using this on my lashes so you guys can see. So the next thing I got, ooh, is from Dirty Little Secret, and it is a baked highlighter in the shade Bellissima. So I'm going to open it up. This is it right here. It is beautiful. I'm going to do a little swatch. It's like a pinky kind of highlighter. So I do kind of like that. Oh, it's like a frosted pink. I don't know if you guys can tell with my hand right here. But I have used Dirty Little Secret before. I've gotten them in BoxyCharm. So I'm really excited about that. And that highlight looks really pretty. And it's a little frosty, so I'm not sure about it, how it will look on me. I'll still use it. If it turns out to be a little too frosty, I'll just probably use it as eyeshadow. So that is cool. Let's see what else we've got. Oh. So this month's thing, I just totally got it dirty from the highlighter, is Be Unique, Write Your Own Story. So that was for June, and they always send a little card, which I totally forgot to like snatch out and show you guys. But the other thing I got, which I got one of these brushes before in this bag, and it's not the same brush, but the same brand, Sorme. So let me pull, which I think this is going to be like a really nice brush, but this is it right here. If you guys can see. And the other brush, this is the oh, I can't speak today. Tapered Angle Shader Brush, number 908. So I'm really excited to use this. The other brush I got, I do enjoy. So always a good thing to get brushes. I feel like you can never have too many brushes because I just use them constantly. Next one is from Kaylin. Is that how you say that? I'm not sure. But this is it right here. And it looks like, if I can open her up. Oh, so it goes like this. And it has the little brush right here. And you can just stick it in like that. And then dip it in the little pot. Which, let me try and show you guys. It's a eyeliner. And it's really black and thick. But it seems pretty easy to manipulate. So, I'm excited. It'll be nice to try. It'll go great with the highlighter. I mean, so far we've got highlighter, eyeliner, mascara, and a brush. So I'm excited about that. And as always, the total price, I totally am off my game, which is funny considering I had a video recently saying Chris was off his. As always, Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription bag. It contains about 6 products, all full size, and it's about 18 bucks a month, and that includes shipping, but that's for everything. So if you are interested, I'll have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so I do earn a commission if you decide to purchase a bag, but you can use my link or you can just go directly to the website. Either way, make sure you use code YOY for 10% off your first bag, okay? So it doesn't hurt me if you don't use it, not a big deal, but if you are interested and you don't feel comfortable doing that, go directly to the website and make sure to use that code. I'll also have that posted down below. And as always, I'll also have their Instagram link down below so you can see what's kind of like mini previews of what's coming up in the next bag. So that's not it. There is... Oh man, we got a lot in this bag, or in this month's bag. Okay, so I do have, y'all, so the first time I ever got an Appeal Cosmetics product was through Yes Oh Yas, and then they also showed up, then they started showing up in BoxyCharm, and I love literally every product I've gotten from them. Their cream eyeshadows, their their lip glosses, like, I mean, everything. So, lucky me, I did get something from Appeal. Let me tear the little thing off so I can show you guys what I got. So, I got a gel liner in shade Forest Green, which I'm super pumped about because I've been loving green lately. I feel like that's my color. Like an olive green. I am like in love with. So this is the shade. It is super creamy. It's nice, and I think it'll do great on the eyes. I'm super excited about that. So we did get this, and then the last thing that we got this month is from Mora, and it's the Daydreams Dream Series palette. So this is it right here in its little unicarton. So I'm gonna open her up. Oh no! And this probably honestly isn't damage from the company itself. This probably happened on my way to California. So like in flying and all that stuff. So I'm just going to press them back down because they seem to be pretty soft and easy to move and manipulate. So I'm just going to do that because it works for me and it'll save my eyeshadows. So let me press these down. I only had 2 that messed up while I was traveling on flights. I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys. It's happened to me with another item. It was like a Cover FX palette, and I was flying to DC, and it cracked one of my little powders in it. But no big deal. Just smush it all in, and we're good to go. So this, I'm going to flip so you guys don't get blinded by the mirror. But these are all the shades in this palette, which is absolutely stunning. And while I was pressing them in, I'm going to tell you which I pressed this one and this one because these 2 were cracked, more than likely from flying. But they are soft and they are creamy. I'm just going to get a couple of swatches. Let's do a purple. Purple's calling my name. So I'm going to go ahead and do these 3 right here. But like, honestly, that one was, I mean, it's just beautiful. This is the other one. These 2 right here were the ones that were cracked probably while I was flying. And then this purple right here. How stunning are those? And let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch some of the matte colors. So I'm going to swatch La La Land. I'm going to swatch Trance. And I'm going to, let's swatch Brown, Dreamy. It's like a camel kind of color. So this is La La Land. Stunning. This one is called Trance. And then this one is the brown called Dreamlake. Yeah, Dreamlake. So can you believe those? I mean, and those are the mattes. This is a great palette. I'm really excited. It's got a lot of colors in it. So I think I'm definitely going to enjoy using it. But that is it, guys, for this video. That is everything I got in this month's Yes Oh Yes bag. As always, if you're interested in just scrolling through their Instagram, checking them out, everything will be linked down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you come enjoy and hang out. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye, y'all.